Gentlemen?
Okay everybody, so once again, here's the move. And for this move, you always want to be holding the safe handle. And all you want to do is make this kind of motion, and then just flip it onto your hand, and then back up. And you want to make sure that you're actually switching your grip on the safe handle from this to this, and then you'll flip it back around. So once again, here's the move, and there you have it.
See? Red! No, wait, that's blood.
So, we still got problem.
Big problem. Big problem.
Everybody, here is the move. For this move, you want to be always holding the bite handle and really high up on the handle. For this move, you want to be making a horizontal movement like that, and you want to just swing the safe handle on the back of your thumb, just like that. And to finish the move, you want to be grabbing the safe handle and just flicking it back up. So once again, holding the bite handle onto the back of your thumb, and then grabbing it and swinging it back up. And the move should look like this. And there you have it.
Right behind you.